Welcome everyone. It's July 3rd. We are at Six Flags St. Louis. It has been pouring down rain. We just got here because we are going to the member pool party. If it's not rained out, we think it might be. But in the background, there's foam. And when there's foam, there's fun. Come along. It's the July 4th Fest. And this is the cool zone. Caleb, are you cool?
No.
Are you permitted in the cool zone? Is this like Club Cool?
No one wants me.
Yeah, it's supposed to be 6 o'clock, but it's not 6 hours. You want to get in? We're heading into the cool zone. Caleb, you are soaked from
Yeah,
foam.
I just took a shower.
Let's see what's in the cool zone. Why don't you get a sample of some Coke? You want some? All right, try a Coke. I don't know, pick one. All right. How is it? Stand over here for a picture. The good news is the rain scared everybody away. And even though I think we might be able to get to our pool party as long as this sun keeps pushing this way. We want all the lightning to go away. But let's head into Chop 6 and get some dinner.
Yep.
We're splitting a Chop 6 spicy chicken. Alright, Kayla, this is new. There's a Six Flags sign here. You have to make the X. So, can you get up there and do an X for us? Stand right there on that spot and make an X with your hands. See? Put your feet where the shoes are. Awesome. Now, hold on, not sure if I showed this earlier, but we are all decked out for 4th of July. Well, looks like some of the rides are starting to go again. That means the lightning is out of the area.
Yay.
Thunder River is still down. Still under rehab. That's a bummer. And it still has the sign up there by Excalibur saying it's returning this summer, but we'll have to see. The sky is still looking a little ominous here.
Looks better.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna get our pool time at all.
Don't say that.
We got a pretzel as our snack. Caleb's already digging in. Is it hot? What is it? Tell me about the cheese, because sometimes it does not taste good.
It's actually pretty good.
Good. It's not too plasticky. All right.
It's really good.
I just saw a train on Mr. Freeze go. That's a good sign. I checked the weather. I think we're going to be okay. And Supergirl is operating. Operations on Supergirl are so slow. I mean, it takes 5 to 10 minutes between rides every time. I mean, probably closer to 10. I don't know what's going on. It goes. I don't know. Are we gonna do this sometime?
Dad, here's my answer. They're flying.
But it's close to 7. We're waiting in line to get into Hurricane Harbor. Okay, let's see. We got some swag here. Can you pull out the sunglasses?
Yeah.
We're gonna, or not sunglasses, but we're gonna watch the fireworks with these like 3D.
I see the northern lights in front of my eyes right now.
So, we're just waiting to head in.
Nope, I'm good.
All right, we're in for the pool party. Sky is looking a little iffy. The wave pool is going. Caleb is out there. All right, it's about 7:45. It turned into a pretty darn nice evening. The sky over there looks horrible, but we're in the sun. Caleb, how's the water?
Oh, it's warm.
Yeah.
Not in a weird way.
It's very, very warm. Who did we just see walk through here? We just saw the one and only Pineapple Pete.
Pee-pee.
He walked through here and then he went to first aid, so we're kind of concerned.
Maybe he got rotten or something.
I don't know, but hopefully he comes back so we can meet Pineapple Pete.
I went to see Pineapple Pete.
But he's coming back. Caleb, that's the Pineapple Pete.
Yeah, I know. We saw him before.
What's he doing? He's out of first aid, so he's feeling better. He's walking. Where's he going?
I guess he has a smile on his face.
Yeah.
So I guess he's happy.
All right, smile. What? All right, thank you. All right, Pineapple Pete, we finally met him. However, they're giving out free samples of Dole Whip, but we didn't get any vouchers when we came in, and everybody has vouchers, so we can't get any. What's up with that? How do we get vouchers? I want Dole Whip. Oh well. All right, well, they've closed down the pool. How was your night swim? That water felt like bath water. It was great. The kids' water feels like an ice bath, so I'm not sure what that's about, but we're about 10 to 15 minutes away from the fireworks. I thought we were going to get to watch them from the water, but they cleared everybody out, so we'll just have to watch them from in here, but that's fine. Let's see the glasses, Caleb. We got our glasses on. This is what they look like. Psychedelic.
Whoa. Look at that light.
There's the glasses. Was a fun trip to Six Flags. We had foam, we had food, we had fireworks, we had the 4th of July.
Well, it's the 3rd.
It's the 3rd, but
It's the 3rd.
But we had a lot of fun. Everything was great. We didn't ride one single ride in 4 hours, but we didn't have to. How'd you think of the foam this year?
They
had it in the main area instead.
Not as good as last time.
Anyway, we had a great trip, and we will be back soon. May the adventure continue.
Like, subscribe, and blah, blah, blah. Happy 4th of July.